So Chris and I left our beloved Cameron, Montana, and headed east to Holiday Springs Campground, part of the Custer National Forest in Montana. It looked like a really nice remote location, and we were both really eager to see it. Thanks for coming along. We just left Cameron, headed north. Once we go a very short distance north, we'll start heading back east. This is the road between, so we're headed through really pretty country toward Bozeman. Looks just very open, nice hills, very pleasant. Nips. Stopping at a rest stop here in Montana. Chris checking out our trailer tires, making sure they're okay. This is it's absolutely just a gorgeous day. I thought you might like to see the front of this camper here. Look at this. That doesn't leave much to the imagination, does it? Anyway, beautiful spot. We're about 3 hours away from where we're gonna spend the night. We'll be, I believe, I can't remember if we'll be back in Wyoming or not. Here we are driving through eastern Montana. Real nice, real nice. It is definitely flattening out. Looks really cool though. So we're staying tonight here at the Custer National Forest. So we're 12 miles back into the Custer National Forest, going to the Holiday Springs Campground, which is just a free National Park Service campground, National Forest Service campground, sorry. So we'll see what we see. I see one vehicle, two vehicles. So here's our site in Custer National Forest. We're set up on this little kind of field. We're just about to make some dinner. I'm gonna stir some veggies and potatoes there, and on that little Weber Go Anywhere, we'll cook up some pork chops, which are dry brining right now, and everything's all set up to go. It's already set up inside the trailer. It's really nice place. Loving it. Enjoying a nice pork chop dinner here. Oh, look at that baby. Chris's is just the same. Man, a beautiful evening here. After we eat, we'll start the fire. have a few drinks,
Wait for the bears.
and wait for the bears. It's raining lightly, but steadily. There's lightning in the distance and thunder. It just sounds great on the inside of the camper. What a great evening. Even a comfortable temperature. Beautiful morning. Fire still smoldering from last night. Amazing. Nice sunrise. Going for a little morning walk. It's about, I think it's about 7:30. Just a little stroll. Brought my coffee. Isn't this beautiful? Just beautiful. So over there, see it's on the far hill. You can see in the face of the far hill, it's all burned. So here we are leaving the campsite, and look at all these pheasants right here. Slow down, Chris. Let's see if we can get a shot of them. So they're just hanging out. I'm surprised they're not running away.
A couple of juvenile males.
Yeah. Finally, saw a bear. There he is. He's going up that hill. Nice.